Tia Martin design. Woof woof.
Hi guys, so today we're not gonna do the regular stuff. We're not gonna do the drawing, not collab, not talking video. So yeah, we're gonna raid my squishies. So I actually don't show them on camera because I think they're hard. I mean, not hard, but just I don't like to show them on camera. Also, I started with squishies a long time ago. So yeah, I have some old ones and new ones. So let's get started. Whoa! So the first squishy here I made for Halloween. Squish test super good. Design not that good. So I'm gonna rank this one. I don't know, a 5 out of 10. Next one. So this one I made very recently. Squish test super good. Love it. Design super good. Love it. So I'm gonna rank this 10. It's a 10. Also, it's my favorite candy stuff. So yeah, super good. 10 out of 10. So let's go with the next one. So this is a mango squishy. I like this one. Squish test okay, but design is very good. So 10 out of 10. Next one. So this one is kind of simple. I'm gonna give it 5. Squish test, it's okay, but design, it's normal. It's normal. Next one. Moving on. So I'm just gonna dig a little bit, and also I have more squishies, but I couldn't find them in my squishy box. Yeah, I love this one so much. It's so cute. It's Kuropi, and I love Kuropi. Even tag, it's so hard, and the squish test, so it's 10 out of 10. It's super good. Super good. I love it one. So this one, I made when my friend came over, and we made boba. I made peach and she made grape, and I like it. It's I don't know, maybe I'm not very sure, but I love it. So this one, I hate this one so bad. Yeah, it's very bad. Oh, it's a 2 out of 10. I hate it. Like, oh, so bad. Cause I really took it not so bad. This one, it's a book. It's Mocha and Milk. I don't know how to pronounce it, but no, it's a how. I love that one. It's okay. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. It's good, and the design is good. Yeah. So this one, it's cheese doodles. I love that one. I spent so much time on it, details and everything. Yeah. So I'm giving it like an 8.5 out of 10. This Hello Kitty I copied. I just didn't know what to do, but I very much like how it turned out. So I'm gonna give this 9 out of 10. This one, it was good when I liked it. Now it's okay, 5 or 6. This one is very boring. It's boring. Squished is not good. So this like 5. Moving on. This one I made when my friend also came over, and we made Pom Pom Pudding, and I like it. It's a 5. So this, I love this one. It's a 10 out of 10 directly. Squish not that good, but design, love design. Yeah, this one I don't like. No, it's the it's like a 5, 4. Yeah, I could have done better. This one I hate. It's hated. It's like one of my first squishies. Just take it. No, I want to take it back. Take it back. I can't reach it. Yeah, so this one, look, the butthole. Oh, I don't like it because it's so ripped and everything. Bleh. No. This was also one of my first squishies, and it was pretty good. So I'm gonna give it like I don't know, maybe a 5. I don't know, but it's okay. This one I don't like. I could have done better. I was like, oh, I like the design. I copied, but no. This one I made at school actually, and it's not that good. Yeah, this one, I like this one. Squish does super good. Design kind of boring. So the Squish test, it's okay. Yeah, I'm giving this a 6 because I like the Doritos idea, but I couldn't have done better. This one, I hate this one so much. Ew. No, I'm not even ranking it a 0 out of 10. It's so boring. This one, it's okay. 5. 5, very simple. So yeah, it's okay. This one I made at my dad's work, and I did not have supplies I needed to do so. 5. This one, 5. No, it's very dumb. It's like a 0. Now this one, cookie. I like those. Kind of burned, but yeah, it's kind of a 6.5. So this one I made without no tape, so I like it. It's actually a 7. This one my first squishy, my darling. It's very good. It's for first squishy, it's a 9 out of 10. This one I made with a plastic bag. I don't like it. No, it's a 1. This one is a capybara. Capybara. Yeah, it's okay. It's a 5. So yeah. Well, yeah, that's all the squishies. But I also have some blind bags, so I'm just gonna go and get those. So here have the blind bags. Some squishies. I just didn't like it. Didn't want to show them. So this one I made with my mom, and I think it's decent. It's a 7. It's decent. It's good. Yeah. So moving on, we actually have another thing in this bag, and that is a pencil, and that's 5. It's boring. Yeah.
So now we're opening the cute squishy blind bag. Nice one. Yeah, and inside we have a bunny that is with peaches. I think it's decent. It's very good. I give that 8 or 9. That pizza is like a 6 maybe, and that's a 5. And also the pizza was 5. No, it was a 6 or 7. So yeah, pretty decent stuff in this blind bag. Yeah, that one is what was it again? What did I say? Nice, okay. But that for the next one. So I mean, next blind bag, fruit blind bag. You can get all of those on the bag. So which one will it be? You got an apple. I mean, we got an apple. Yay! And I think it's a very good replica. So yeah, but it's still plain. So it's a 5. It's 5. But in here we have, you got an apple. Yay! I said that. Yeah, so now we're going to the Haribo Golden Bear. In the package I just made the it's actually mini squishies in there. So yeah, that's a 5. I could have done better, and I'm planning to redo it. Bread blind bag. Yeah, so which one will it be? And also you can get a mystery one. Just so you know. It says there. Wait, I'm just gonna dig in the bag for the. Oh yeah. You got a mystery bag. No, bread. Yay! 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 So we got the mystery bread. Yes, and that was a strawberry jam one. So I hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe. Bye. Love, love, love. So make sure just to subscribe and do stuff. Yeah. If you like my content, do that. Subscribe. And now I'm just showing you one extra time the golden bears. I think they're very good, but just the packaging is off. I don't like the packaging. That's something I can do for another one. So yeah, that's those. Yeah. So bye. Bye. Make sure you have a good time and yeah. Bye.